Hi, welcome back to King's Auto Garage. Today I want to share a important news for all car owners in UAE. If you are going to take your car for a RTA inspection, you have to check these items. Before going for RTA test, you have to book an appointment through the website. Then how to make an appointment? I will explain.
So here I'll show you how to book an appointment. When you press the link which I have given, you'll get a window like this. Here you need to press view all services. Then you will be getting a window like this where all the services have given. From this we need to press apply for technical inspection. Here we need to select from Dubai, or if you are from another emirate you need to press other emirate. After that, here you'll be getting two options. One is individual account and one is company account. So since my car is individual account, I have pressed the individual account. Then you need to enter Emirates ID number as well as Emirates ID expiry date. Once after you enter these details, you will be getting an OTP on your registered number. You need to enter this OTP for booking an appointment. After this, you will be getting, you can select if you have many cars under your name, you can select which car you want to take it for RTA inspection. So from the given list, I have selected a car. Then press continue. Then you can select which service you want, renewal test or export services. So since we want to book for a renewal test, I have given renewal test in the scroll button. Then press continue. So you can select which sender you want to take it for RTA inspection and which time. So I have given Al Barsha, and I'm giving a rough time also. Then press continue. You can then press confirm appointment so that your appointment will be saved and you will get a confirmation message.
After you get the appointment, before going for the test, you have to ensure these things are ready is okay for your cars. One is cleanliness. Clean your car interior and underbody perfectly. Clean engine bay. There is no oil leakage or coolant leakage. Clean the engine bay and interior, especially dashboard and floor. The second thing, lights and electricals. The all lights like headlight, brake light, reverse lamp, fog lamp, and license plate light. All lights should be functional. There is no warning light in cluster like ABS, airbag, or check engine light should stay after starting. And the third one, tire and wheels. For the tire, the expiry is maximum 5 years from the manufacturing date, and the tire should not have any crack, damage or bulge, and should have minimum 1.6 mm depth. Fourth one is brake. Brake must work effectively and not strange noises from the brakes. And the handbrake should hold the car in a slow. And next, suspension. The suspension should not bounce excessively and there is no oil leak from the shocks. Next one, engine and transmission. There is no oil leaks, coolant leaks, or in exhaust there is no excessive smoke. For the exhaust gases, we can clean the EGR, intercooler and exhaust manifold. Mirrors and glasses. The all mirrors like side view mirror and rear view mirror must be intact and adjustable. And windshield must be crack free and windows should be open and closed smoothly. Next one is wipers. The front wipers must be work and the wiper washer fluid should spray properly on the windshield. Next one, horn and steering. The horn must work properly with clear noises and steering should be responsive and not making any noises, unusual noises. And next, seat belt. All seat belts lock properly and retract smoothly. Child seat is mandatory for the kids and not for the test, for the driving. And next one is very important, the body condition. There is no sharp edges and loose panels. Every panel is aligned and should be no major rest on the panels, also in underbody, and all doors and the hoods should open properly, open and closes properly. And next one is fluid level. Engine oil, coolant, brake oil, power steering oil and wiper washer fluid should be in the recommended level. And before going the test, you should carry these documents: the Mulkia registration card and valid insurance paper and the Emirates ID. These are the main reasons the cars failing in RTA inspection in their first attempt. So in King's Auto Garage, we are providing a pre-inspection for the RTA test that will make your car is 100% ready for the RTA inspection. We are specialized in European and American cars. If your car needs any mechanical, electrical, AC, body and detailing work, you can contact us. At King's Auto Garage, you will get one-stop solution for your car care. Thank you for watching this video. I think this video is very informative for you. If you like this kind of video, please follow our YouTube channel